Today we will see some examples of Python anonymous or lambda function. Okay, so what this function does, this function can have any number of arguments but only one expression which is evaluated and returned. The syntax is lambda arguments and expression. So let's clarify the concept with some examples. Okay, so in the first example I am just creating a variable. Suppose I am naming it as multi is equal to lambda. Now I need to write the argument, suppose x, and now the expression, suppose x star 3. Okay, now if I print multi and write here 3, now you can see that our output is 9. Okay, if I change it to 6, now we can see that our output is 18. We know that we can use any number of arguments. Now I will add some more arguments, suppose y comma z, and I will change it to x plus y plus z. Now if I write here 1 comma 2 comma 3 and run the code, you can see that the output is 6, which is the result of 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, now let's see another example of lambda function along with the map function. So for that, first of all I will declare a list, suppose 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Now I will declare a variable, suppose result equal to list map, and inside it I will write lambda y, suppose y star 2 comma the name of our list, which is list 1 is okay, list 1. Now if I print the result, we can see that 2 is multiplied with each of our list element. Okay, so these are two examples of lambda function. That's how it works. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.